What's up, guys? It's Yellow 1027 here, and I'm gonna bust open my iPod charger because you guys really want to see me do that. I'm gonna regret this a lot after I do it. So I'm gonna use a hammer to bust it open. I hope this thing gets hope this gets a lot of likes. Okay, or maybe a lot of views. I'm gonna be happy when I get I'm gonna be happy when I get 3 subscribers. Okay, let's do this. Here we go. It's freaking raining. Almost. Okay, guys. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Oh no. I regret this already. Well, this is the charger. Get this thing off. Okay, guys, check it out. Yeah. It's straight up busted open. Kind of sucks. Just smash it one more time for fun. There we go. Look at it, guys. It's busted. Let's do this part now. This part. Let's do it with the sharp side. Let's just take it. Okay, get out of there. Okay. Okay, guys, I'm gonna just get this off real quick. Well, looks like I can't really get it off, so. Okay, I guess I'm just gonna do that at the end. But, guys, check it out. I completely ripped this thing open. Okay, guys, hope you enjoyed that video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.